Welcome children. Today we are going to see lesson number 2 of value education from your Positive Vibes book. Lesson number 2, learning to say I am sorry. In this lesson we are going to see the value aspiration, like first one, understand the value of being polite to others. Second, learn how to apologize when one makes a mistake. Children, we all make mistakes. It is a fact of life. The important thing is to accept it gracefully and express our regrets. Now, in this lesson, the girl named Preeta, she had a fight with her elder sister over sharing the chocolates. Preeta's mother wanted her to apologize. That means she wanted her to say sorry to her elder sister. But Preeta was adamant. Adamant means she was not ready to accept her mistake. She was not ready to listen. She was unrepentant. She was not feeling sorry for her mistake. Then after an hour, she said sorry and then she left out to play. So children, has something like this ever happened with you? Yes, we all make mistakes. It is a part of life. But we should remember that the important thing is to accept our mistakes gracefully and express our regrets. That means we need to say sorry for our mistakes. Now let us see what an apology looks like in these pictures. In the first picture, the boy, he says, "Excuse me, I regret for what happened yesterday." So he is feeling sorry for what mistake he has done. In the second picture, you can see the boy is saying, "I made a mistake. I should not have done it." So he realizes his mistake and he is also apologizing for it. In the next picture, the girl who has hurt the feelings of the girl, she is apologizing again. She says, "I know I hurt your feelings and caused a problem for you." She is feeling sorry for that. And then in this picture, you can see the mother is saying to the child, "I am so sorry, dear. Can you please forgive me?" Means she is accepting her mistakes. In this picture, the two boys, you can see one boy has made mistake and he is saying, "Please accept my apology and let me hug you." He feels sorry for his mistakes. Yes. Children, you have to remember that the important thing is to accept our mistakes. There may be some incidents which may have happened in the past with you. For example, stepping on someone's foot, not completing the homework, forgetting to wish your friend on his or her birthday, stealing something, intentionally hurting someone. Intentionally hurting means what, children? Purposely. You are doing it knowingly. Yes. Then damaging something accidentally. These things happen with you also, isn't it? As you are children, all these things can happen with you. But then you have to feel sorry for all these things. You should learn to apologize for your mistakes. And then only you are a good person. In this chapter, we have studied to understand the value of being polite to others and also learn how to apologize when one makes a mistake. So these are the good manners, good values of your life. You have to follow that so that we can live peacefully. That's all, children. Thank you.